Hey guys, welcome back to school. I hope everybody had a really good break, and I hope you kind of enjoy this virtual week that we've got to try to get used to getting back into the groove of school. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start our new unit today in reading, and it's going to be over geology. And some of you probably have no idea what geology is. So we're going to look at the front cover of our book. I know nobody has their books with them. They're still at school. If you want to stop by school or have your parents stop by school, Miss Tara would be able to give you your books so that you have them. But remember, you can always get into your class link and look at your books too. So let's take a peek at the front cover of our book. And we're going to see if we can guess what geology even is. So this is what your new book is going to look like. And of course it is going to say Unit 5 because we're in our 5th unit. And it says Geology, the Changing Earth. And you can see this picture. It looks like maybe it's out in the desert somewhere of those rocks in the ground there. So what do you think geology is? It's a pretty good guess. Let's see if you guys are right. Sorry, it's doing weird things. Okay. Geology is the study of the Earth's surface. So I bet you guys were guessing that it was about Earth, just from the picture there that we had at the front of the book, that you could think it would be about Earth. But it's about the surface of the Earth. And that's what all of the stories and things that we're going to learn about in this unit, it's all going to be about the Earth. And the things that are on the Earth, and even some of the things that are in the Earth. So, are you excited to learn some things about geology? Okay. Alright, so we're going to get ready to read the first chapter. But first I want you guys to look at the vocabulary words so that you'll be ready for some of those words that you're going to see in the chapter. So I know again that you do not have your books, but here I've pulled up the page. There are 11 vocabulary words that go with the first chapter of our new book. I'm going to read them to you, and then there's an activity that you're going to do with these vocabulary words to get you ready before we look at the chapter in the next video. So we've got catastrophe, erupt, observation, evidence, fossil, geologist, climate, conclude, dense, hypothesis, and continental drift. So those are the 11 words, and you can see it tells you exactly what all of the things are, but I'm betting a lot of these words you guys probably already knew. But if you see any words that you're not really sure what they mean, you'll need to look and see, make sure that you're right, that you know what they mean. After you've studied these 11 words and you kind of know what they mean, you'll be ready to do the activity to kind of practice with these words before we read the chapter. So go ahead and go do the activity with your words, and then come back into your assignments and click on the next one, and we're going to get ready to talk about the chapter, okay? All right, see you in a little bit.